If you're seeing CapCut error code 10011, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get CapCut working again without wasting time. This error usually shows up when CapCut has trouble exporting, and in many cases it can be caused by hardware encoding settings, a full cache, or even a problem with certain clips on your timeline. So whether your export is stuck, failing, or showing this error again and again, these simple fixes can help you get back to editing fast. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut fixes and editing tips. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is turn off hardware export inside CapCut. This is one of the most effective fixes because hardware encoding can sometimes conflict with your system and cause export errors like 10011. To do that, open CapCut and click the menu button in the top left corner. From there, go into Settings. Once the Settings window opens, click on Performance. Here, look for the option that says Speed Up Hardware Encoding. If that box is checked, uncheck it. This tells CapCut not to rely on hardware acceleration for export, which often solves the issue immediately. After you make that change, click Save and Restart CapCut so the new setting can fully take effect. After CapCut reopens, try exporting again and see if the error is gone. If you still see CapCut error code 10011, the next step is to clear the cache. Over time, CapCut cache files can build up and cause performance issues, export failures, and random bugs inside the app. To clear it, click Menu again, then go back into Settings, and once more choose Performance. On this page, find the Cache section and click the Delete button, usually shown as a garbage icon next to Cache. CapCut may ask you to confirm this action, so click OK. Once the cache is deleted, restart CapCut again. This simple step can remove corrupted temporary files and often fixes export problems that seem like they came out of nowhere. Now, if the error still hasn't been fixed, there are two emergency checks you should do right away. First, make sure you have enough free space on your hard drive. CapCut needs room to create temporary export files, and if your storage is almost full, export errors are much more likely to happen. As a general rule, try to free up at least 2 GB of space on the drive you're using for your project. You can do this by deleting unused files, emptying the recycle bin, or moving large videos and downloads somewhere else. Second, take a close look at your timeline for any corrupt clips. Sometimes a red clip or a broken media file can cause the entire export to fail. If you notice any red timeline clips, delete them and replace them with fresh media if needed. Even one damaged clip can trigger CapCut error code 1001, so this is a very important step if the usual fixes don't work. Once you've completed these steps, try exporting your project again. In most cases, turning off hardware export, clearing the cache, and checking storage or corrupt clips will solve the problem and get CapCut exporting normally again. If this video helped you fix CapCut error code 10011, please give it a like, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and comment below if you want help with any other CapCut error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.